When I'm up for good comfy food in Chinatown, I have to get down. Here's a perfect example, the new Wu Loi Gui restaurant. Space at a premium in Chinatown. Every square inch is used to the max. Many of these buildings house businesses and residents upstairs. Then one restaurant on the ground floor and maybe another one in the basement. Think of it as a multi-level zoning on steroid. To be honest, I don't remember the old Wu Loi Gui, but Wu Loi Gui means return. And this place serves up comfort food that is so familiar to me. It is like homecoming. I'm returning home. Oh, piping hot. Today, I work with your chef and prepare this just for you. I know that you're hungry, lunchtime. Now, you know, the amazing thing is, look at this menu, okay? Look at this menu. A 60-seat restaurant, Wu Loi Gui, actually have over 255 items. This is amazing. And today, this is one of the 255 items. Now, since you allow me to work with your chef today, so I could learn a lot from your chef. And this is for you and me. Cheers.
Okay.
多謝. I want you to taste. The great thing about this is one dish meal. You got the starch, you got the protein, you got the vegetable. How much is this?
Right now，依家咧我哋係賣咧就係7個2毫半紙，未加稅嘅。
哇，$7.25 for one dish meal. Can you beat that, huh? I'm going to serve Mr. Lee.
Oh, thank you.
This is beautiful. Beef and bok choy. Okay? 食嘢。
OK。
唔好客氣。食下先。Here, I look around, it's only about 60 seats. But you have people from all over the world. What is the reason why people come down to Wu Loi Gui?
好似話就咧，我哋全世界都有人嚟，就算到南美歐洲嗰邊都好多人嚟。嗰啲旅客嚟到呢度就係嚟到三藩市咧，佢係都會中意落嚟我哋呢度試下我哋嘅嘢嘅。
Mr. Lee mentioned it to me in Cantonese. I speak Cantonese too. Is that people from all over the U.S., all over the world, South America, Europe, to come over here because this is not only delicious, not only the cook to order is fresh, but most important, this is economical. $7.25 to feed 2 people. Isn't it amazing? But I think Mr. Lee and myself are so hungry. Let's continue to eat. 繼續食。好嘢。That's perfect. 哇，牛腩。
羊腩煲。
羊腩煲，lamb stew。
廣東最興㗎啦。
Wow, beef and tomato 炒麵。Wow。
椒鹽雞翼。
salt and pepper with chili. Wing There's some. 哇，係。呢個
辣嘅。
辣子。呢個係冇雞，陳皮雞。Tangerine chicken.
哇，仲有雲吞。
哇，係 Just to show you, you are so hungry. I didn't realize Mr. Lee is so hungry. 等我我招呼老細。I have to take care of the boss. 等我嚟啦，咪應該係咪？Apprentice, I try to get a job here. Wu Loi Gui, the new Wu Loi Gui.
新銅鑼。
I want to introduce something that you have never seen, you hardly see in Chinatown. This is West Lake beef soup with a lot of cilantro, but this is crispy fried wonton. Very few restaurants in Chinatown offer this on the menu. 試下啲手勢。Let us try. I think that should be good enough for us.
Oh, yeah.
Take a look at the dish. This has different flavor, different color. we ordered the right thing. Let's dig in and enjoy and continue to eat. The good thing about this, everything is cooked to order. 直情新鮮熱辣嘅。
係啊，我哋全部咧，你要 order 先你做嘅啫。
Cooked to order, that's the reason why it's so good. Okay? We are both amazed and shocked at how much appetite we have. For 2 people, 5 dishes, amazing. You know, for the first-time visitor, may find it a little bit intimidated by the step coming down here. But not locals. This restaurant has been feeding much of Chinatown for decades. Next time you come to my Chinatown, make sure you come down stair to New 匯來居同樂飯店。You know what? No report on underground cuisine would be complete without mentioning the iconic Sam Wall right here. The original Sam Wall opened its first location over on Washington Street back in 1908. Just a few years after the great earthquakes. We're gonna go in and check out this iconic restaurant. The magic of Sam Wall is its crossover appeal. It is a favorite for tourists, Chinatown residents, and the everyday San Franciscans. Apparently, everybody loves Sam Wall, except maybe the line. Look at the line. Go all the way down to Kearny. Ah, this is history. Now, your next question might be, hey, I thought you were talking about underground cuisine. The dining room is on the street level. And you are right. But what about the kitchen? Action, action, action. Didn't I honestly tell you? Underground cuisine. The kitchen is in the basement. The chef is working and cooking non-stop. The Chinese kitchen with all these woks are always very loud, very exciting. That's why I have to talk louder. Hey, how about a bowl of wonton noodle or something that will stick to your ribs? How about a prime rib dinner in the heart of Chinatown? Maybe you are in a mood for something light or something hearty, something hot or something cold, something spicy or something sweet.